Quran with Muskan and Sarah.
Surah Azab, Ayah 35.
Sarah, it's Salah time. Let's go home now.
Fatima, Muskan, and Sarah. Where are you guys going?
Musa, it's Salah time. We are going to pray. Musa, why are you laughing?
How much ever you pray, Allah loves boys more than girls.
Musa, what are you talking? Why are you being so mean?
Whatever you guys think. But this is the truth. Allah loves boys more.
Muskan and Sarah, let's go now. It's time for Salah. There is no time to argue. Assalamu alaikum, Mommy and Daddy.
Walaikum assalam, Muskan and Sarah. What happened, my darlings? Why are you guys sad?
Mommy, Musa said, Allah loves boys more than girls. Is that true, Mommy?
You guys scared me. No, that's not true. Allah loves boys and girls equally. Allah told in the Holy Quran, Surah 33, Ayah 35. Surely for Muslim men and women, believing men and women, devout men and women, truthful men and women, patient men and women, humble men and women, charitable men and women, fasting men and women who guard their chastity, and men and women who remember Allah often. For all of them, Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward. In this ayah, Allah refers to men and women equally. It's not the gender that matter. It is the good deeds that count. In this ayah, Allah says if we do good deeds, if we are truthful, humble and charitable, those who fast, guard their chastity, and remember Allah often, for them Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward. Allah loves all of us equally.
Wow! Mommy, I am so happy now. Allah is Al-Wadud, the most loving.
Mashallah, my darlings. Surely Allah is Al-Wadud. It's time for Salah. Let's go and pray now.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.